Right, good morning, you happy people. Thank you very much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Right, today I'm here to cook one of the famous South Indian dish. It's also an Indian dish and it's a vegetarian. It's called Bagara Baingan. Baingan is brinjal, or we also call aubergine. So it's similar like a aubergine masala, but we use it with veg biryanis, jeera rice and everything. Okay, stay tuned guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. Let's start cooking. I've got my brinjals. What I did is I've just slit them into 4 pieces, not completely through. I want to hold them with the stems, and I've got my oil ready, and I'm gonna just shallow fry them. Not completely frying, I'm just gonna fry them on the outside, because once we fry them we're also going to cook them. There you go. Just be gentle and then just keep turning them so that the brinjals get fried all the sides. Just keep turning. There you go. Oh, good. So I'm going to strain them onto a paper towel, and then one side we can rest the brinjals to the side, and then we can start with the main recipe. It's plain brinjals, no seasoning, nothing. There you go, nicely done. So I've got my peanuts, some sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and a couple of dry red chilies. What I'm doing is I'm gonna just roast them, and then what we need to do is we need to make some fine paste of these ingredients. Peanut goes in, sesame seeds goes in, and then poppy seeds and a couple of red chilies. Just toss them. Just wait until you see the poppy seeds keep popping. There you go, and then they should be good. So what we need to do is we're just going to add some water and then blend them into a fine paste. There you go. Add a bit of water. That's it. Keep it aside, and we'll start with our cooking. I've got some jeera and mustard seeds, olive oil in, got some curry leaves and green chilies, and some onions. Just saute them first. Ginger garlic paste, give it a nice mix. Just wait until the onions get caramelized. So what we need to do is we need to caramelize the onions before we add the rest of the ingredients and the spices. I'm gonna add some tamarind paste. Just going to saute them before I add the tamarind paste. It's vegetarian and very healthy recipe, guys. Sesame seeds, peanuts and poppy seeds, they are very good for health. There you go. You can either use tamarind concentrate paste, or you can also make your own tamarind puree. So if you get the raw tamarind, soak them in a water, or keep them for 1 minute in the microwave, and then just squeeze the water out, and then you will have that. I'm gonna add my spices, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, some cumin powder, and some coriander powder. Mix it thoroughly. Just saute it for a minute or so before you add the puree. Salt as per your taste. And then I'm going to add in the puree. So what we need to do is, once we add in the puree, mix it thoroughly, and then we're going to slow cook, guys. So since it's a very thick puree, we're going to add some water as well, but since it's peanuts and sesame seeds puree, so the heat needs to be very low so that it doesn't get burned on the bottom. Gonna add a cup of water. There you go. Give it a quick mix and then bring it to a boil. Just make sure, guys, you keep checking the bottom so that it doesn't get burned. So what I'll keep doing is I keep stirring and making sure it don't get burned on the bottom. I cook it for like 5 minutes, as you can see, boiling. Close the lid. It already looks yummy. And then just gonna cook for a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna add the brinjals in. Well, you just need to wait until you can see the oils coming out, and then you can go ahead and add your brinjals, fried brinjals. There you go. I'm adding some desiccated coconut. It's coconut powder. Close it. Cook it for a few more minutes until you see the boiling, and then we should be good. I'm gonna garnish with the finely chopped coriander or parsley. And thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day.